Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on NIO, ticker NIO, trading on the New York Stock Exchange. I want to give you here and Christmas update, a chart analysis here, and tell you the price levels to the up and the downside. And being that said, guys, of course, I wish you first of all Merry Christmas to you and your families. Yeah, a nice, relaxed time here. And of course, I will continue to upload here content even during Christmas, because I know that not everybody in the world is celebrating Christmas, not every country in the world is celebrating Christmas. So I try to take care here of everybody and just continue to upload. Even I personally celebrate Christmas with my family. Okay guys, let's start here with the ticker NIO, and we know that we are here at the edge of seeing a break out to the up or the downside. We're trading here in a critical territory where we could see a nice pump or a sell-off to the downside. It is now a 50-50 joker. I will of course show you all the drawings here. The market is ripping massively, guys. Yeah, I release here every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. Yeah, I don't want to stretch that out, but in these videos, guys, when I release those videos every Sunday, the tickers in these videos have high squeeze potential, and we can see here a few members here, this is just a screenshot from a few member feedbacks. My members made here 340, 300 and 350% in one trade in one day, guys. Yeah, and we had just the video release on Sunday, and already yesterday on Monday I had again here a 109% squeeze. So when I try to predict the hot stocks here, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. And we had again, one day after my video release, a 109% squeeze. And just in the last 7 trading days, guys, we had 5 short squeezes here from my swing trade alerts or hot stocks. The biggest one here was 480%. Then we had 169% and so on, 250%, guys. Yeah, so the market is bullish, and we want of course also NIO to squeeze. But if you also want to see here my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, then you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here. Yeah, very popular are my hot stocks and of course the trading alerts, but also here the US top 5 US short squeeze stocks are very popular. We had a massive squeeze there as well last week. If you want to see this content, guys, if you want to be a part of our trading community, you can click here the info icon in the corner and you get access to the Patreon member link. So guys, let's talk about NIO. What do I mean when I say we have here a 50-50 joker? Because we have here some open business in the chart. We have here many gaps to the upside. All the green fields here are open gaps to the upside. So NIO has the potential to squeeze back to $20, $29, or even of course new all-time highs would be possible. We have one open gap at $58, and I'm very honest with you guys, based on the actual technical situation which we have. This is not to create FOMO. This is not to hype you up. I will explain you that here by showing the chart. But I think NIO has a very huge potential to regain back strength in 2025. And maybe when we see the bottom here, which may be a little bit lower than the actual price here, then I think there is a high potential to recover over the next months and years and to create or come back at these price levels. And now, guys, very important, if they don't dilute the stock. When NIO starts to dilute the stock, when the short sellers bring the price below $1 and then NIO starts to dilute, guys, that would be very horrible for this company here. I hope they will not do that. They have still more than $8 billion market capital. So in my opinion, based on this cash amount, no necessary action to dilute the stock, but you never know what they will do, the insiders. So keep that in mind. What I say here is based on the actual situation without delusion and not financial advice. So guys, I think the price has to come down a little bit lower. If you didn't see my previous videos, I show you that really quick here. So, because why we are not squeezing yet? Because we are still in this trend channel pattern here. NIO is compressed in a trend channel pattern. We had this massive squeeze here. Yeah, the all-time high was $66.99. And we can see that the price before the squeeze, when we zoom out, when we go back here, back to 2019, NIO traded at $1.19. That was the all-time low. So that means we are still in an uptrend, trading now here at $4.48. Overall, we are in an uptrend, but of course we also far away here from the all-time high. And that is just a matter of time until we will see the next squeeze. I mentioned that for Tesla, guys. I mentioned that for SMCI. You can see all my other videos here on my channel, guys. There are so many predictable price actions in the market, and NIO, in my opinion, right now, based on the information we have today, is a very, very strong squeeze play or bull play for the next year. Of course, if the market turns bearish, we will tank down more. But as I said, I explain you here everything in the video. So guys, so we are still compressed here in this trend channel pattern, which means as long as we don't break this white trend line here, we are not squeezing, and the white trend line here is in the $5 to $6 range here. In my opinion, NIO has some open business here. I would think we can see a retest here at $4.90 or $5.40 here. $5.37 is the make it or break it price level for a squeeze. And when we would see a straight line today, it is there is a potential that we even come back here in the $6 range, but this is not yet a short squeeze, guys. This is just one more algo attempt to break out. Every price outside here of this trend channel, and especially over $5.37, can lead into a short squeeze. What means, guys, this is my opinion, not financial advice, every price below that is a very good dip. But what is the potential bottom? This is the main question. You can see that already here in the chart. I have these yellow arrows here. In my opinion, what I expect here for NIO, or that is what I want, if I think like a market maker, this is what I want to see, is that we see a shakeout below $3.73. I want to see that the price is tanking down. In my opinion, between $3.41 and $2.56, this range here, guys, this zone is very in favor for a short squeeze. If we see here drama, huge shakeout, or they will tell you, yeah, we have now here a bear market, market crash, whatever, guys. Yes, it is possible, that NIO comes even lower, because we have here an open gap at $1.55. You can see the open gaps here in the chart. So the market makers could even bring the price back down to $1.55. Sooner or later, NIO has to come back to $1.55, but that can take 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 15 years, guys. That depends on the market reaction, but keep that in mind. There is also an open gap at $1.55. Even you don't want to hear that right now, but that is what it is, guys. This is what the chart is telling us. So technically, the algos have to drive the price back down to $1.55. I can tell you that when this happens, if we see here no squeeze before and the price is just tanking down, this is where I will load the boat massively for NIO. This is my personal strategy, guys. And as I said, you have to do your due diligence. When they start to dilute, the whole setup will change, guys, and we have to talk about this here as well. So this is what I want to see here. If we don't see here a big Christmas rally, maybe the market makers preparing something here. Actually, we are here still in the bull zone. So everything here, you can see this green box here in the chart. I will switch off the indicators to not disturb the chart too much. This green box here is very bullish, guys. A price between $3.28 and $4.40, guys, is a very bullish zone. And in my opinion, the strongest support is waiting here between $3.73 and $3.41. Here is where I personally expect a squeeze reaction. So what I want to see, is that we coming down, start to squeeze here a little bit, try to retest here $4 or even a little bit higher, coming down one more time, guys, before we see the bottom for NIO and a massive squeeze. It is, of course, possible that the bottom is in, that here $3.75, when we retested this here twice, that the bottom is already in. So don't hope for that here. This is what I personally hope, but it is possible that the bottom is in and that we just start to squeeze from here. Since we tested here 2 times this $3.73 range here, then we had a first squeeze attempt, we came back, the next squeeze attempt was even higher. But what I don't like, I thought, that could be the squeeze, but you can see that we got rejected here again at this algo trend line. That's why I say no matter where the bottom is, guys, when we leave this trend line here, then the main algos are over, the main algos are not in control anymore. And when we focus here on the lower price levels here and how this line ends, guys, you can see here where we end up here in the chart, May, June 2025. So that is very possible that we see a bottom for NIO before that, and that then after the bottom build up, guys, that we see a squeeze coming and then a breakout, and then I want to see much higher price calls here for NIO. Okay, guys, that was my Christmas update here. If you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos. And maybe you also want to become a full-time trader and just make your living by trading, guys. That is absolutely possible, but you need patience, you need the will to learn, and you need the right chart program, at least when you want to become a technical trader like I am since many years here. And without a good chart program, nothing is possible, guys. You need to know where the algos are, and therefore I always recommend in my videos TradingView, guys. If you want to get this program, you can use here my $15 discount link. I recommend the premium tier. This is the best tier for TradingView and the most value for your money. And if you want to get here my discount link, you can click the info icon in the corner here to copy my price levels, guys, from this video. Yeah, guys, I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you a Merry Christmas. If this video was helpful for you, if you want to see more content, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your time. Don't forget to check out here our short squeeze stocks, guys, available right now, the brand new hot stock video, and of course I will continue to post content even during Christmas. Guys, thank you so much. Have a great time and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Merry Christmas. Vielen Dank. Frohe Weihnachten und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.